Okay guys, here it is, our first 2022 Husqvarna TE model. This is the TE300i, and I absolutely love what Husqvarna's done with this for 2022. If you guys watch this channel, you know I'm a huge fan of gray. I've grayed out several of my bikes. My KTM right now is grayed out with the gray front fender and graphics and everything. And that's kind of the look that Husky went with this year. They did the gray seat, gray hand guards, implemented gray in the graphics, gray fork guards, gray frame guards. Just looks really good. I wish they'd do even more gray. They don't have to get rid of the white, but if they do even more gray, I think would look even better. So the other change is they're away from Magura components. Everything's brake tech. I really like the look of the brake tech master cylinders and calipers. It's like a very dark graphite look. I'll show you the caliper down here. Just looks really good, really classy. Just a super sharp bike, without a doubt. I think they went the right direction with these models, ditching the blue and going with the silver. Yeah, Husky will call it rugged gray and electric yellow. And they have Geomax AT81s stock. And so the only real changes for this year are brake tech components, the color scheme, and there's an update to the shim stacks in the Explorer fork and shock. So besides that, got about the same bike as last year, but there are new bikes on the way, so be excited. Man, I love this gray seat. So yeah, if you're a fan of this bike, go ahead and hit subscribe, hit the like button, because the next video I'm going to drop is going to be this thing started and running. See you in the next one.